Welcome back to my channel. In this video I have explored that how cracked surface can be explored. So there are different methods given here and there on YouTube, and the methods are initially people are using acrylic paint and glue sequentially one after another to get surface, and then using something acrylic paint and wrapping it with the wrapping sheet and then letting it dry overnight, and third is using cement and glue. So in first method we are just mixing up the color to get the color of our own choice, and then just separating the color all over, and we are waiting it to dry. And then in another video we are using second method where we are just separating the colors to make some landscape like lagoon color and then the blue, and we mix it up, a heavy amount of color. I don't recommend using a lot of paint and a lot of acrylic color. Minimalist approach is always preferred. And then we just sprout it some drop of water, and after sprouting we let it dry for a while. And then see, this is my table where I work, and after letting it dry a little bit we just wrap it with the plastic sheet. We wrap it with the plastic sheet and just made some of the wrinkles on it. And wrinkle, we suppose that wrinkle will make some pattern or maybe some cracks, as we found in some videos. And then we let it dry for a while, and for another, we are letting our canvases to dry. And we are now having a third method. We just watered the canvas, and after watering the canvas we are making our mixture of cement 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of acrylic paint, and another tablespoon of glue. So we mixed it up to see if there is no lump. We also added some water and make a smooth watery paint or paste, and then we just applied on the canvas. And when we were applying on the canvas, we were expecting that we will have, when it dries up, it will have cracks on it. So we were expecting this. We can even also, made some texture without, making themselves correct. So here our all 3 canvases are drying up. My all canvases are drying up, but the third one, which is purple, one step is just left over. Here we just applied purple acrylic paint. Now we are applying glue, and we are expecting that when glue dries up we will have another coat of acrylic paint, and after acrylic paint we are expecting that cracks will appear. We tried another method with a little bit glue, cement and acrylic paint on green. Initially I used tablespoon of glue, but I see that cracks were not appearing, so I used lesser glue and tried it again. Okay, now see the results after 10 hours of drying up of all of the canvases. Now let's see what are the results. So we just uncovered where method 1 we applied. In this method we just applied paints and then covered up with the plastic sheet, and see, there's a nice beautiful texture, but we don't see any cracks on the surface. But it's a nice texture to start. For the beginners, we can make any kind of texture, acrylic paintings or anything. And in another method we used paint, but it didn't work at all. We see that there is nothing cracked. In third method we see again there were no cracks at all, so it didn't work again as well. So what I say is for result of to get cracks, I don't see any method are effective out of 3 methods, and a third method it also fails. We see no cracks at all, although I applied all recommended methods on YouTube, but we don't see any cracks formed on any 3 of the methods. But what I say is, if you want to have a texture, different kind of texture or mixed media on your canvas, you can use method where we put paint and then cover with the plastic sheet, and we just get some nice design, like some nice texture. But all other methods I don't see any crack coming. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.